In the last video, we built TaskFlow's API with Express, routes that create, read, update, and delete tasks. But right now, every request goes straight to its route handler. Nothing checks who's calling, nothing logs what happened, nothing blocks abuse or sets security headers. Real APIs don't work like that. Every request passes through a pipeline first, and that pipeline is built from middleware. Middleware is the single most important concept in Express. It's how you add logging, authentication, security, and validation without cluttering your route handlers. In this video, you'll learn what middleware actually is, the three types: application level, router level, and error handling. Why execution order matters so much. The most popular middleware packages every API uses, and how to write your own. By the end, TaskFlow will have a production-grade middleware stack: logging, CORS, security headers, validation, and rate limiting. So what is middleware? A middleware is just a function. It takes three arguments: rec, res, and next. Rec is the request, res is the response, and next is a function you call to pass control to the next middleware. That's the whole idea. Think of a request as passing through a series of checkpoints. Each middleware can do three things. It can run code, like logging the request. It can modify rec or res, like attaching the logged in user, or it can end the request early, like rejecting an unauthorized call. If it doesn't end the request, it must call next to continue. Forget to call next, and the request hangs forever. This is the number one middleware bug. You register middleware with app.use. App.use a function rec, res, next. Every request now flows through it. The request enters, passes through each middleware in order, reaches the route handler, and the response flows back out. This chain is the request pipeline. Express is, at its core, just a stack of middleware functions running one after another. There are three kinds of middleware defined by where you attach them. Application level middleware runs on every request. You register it with app.use with no path, and it applies globally. Logging and security headers belong here. Router level middleware is the same idea, but attached to a specific router or path. app.use/API/admin, checkauth. Now only admin routes run that check. The third kind is special, error handling middleware. It has 4 arguments instead of 3: rec, res, next. Express looks at the number of parameters. 4 means it's an error handler. It only runs when something throws, or when you call next with an error. You put it last after all your routes. Now, execution order, this is critical. Middleware runs in the exact order you register it. If you put your logger before your routes, it logs every request. If you put it after, it never runs. If your authentication check comes after the route handler, the route already ran, and the check is useless. The rule is simple: register middleware in the order you want it to execute, top to bottom. Security and parsing first, routes in the middle, error handling last. You rarely write everything yourself. The Express ecosystem has battle-tested middleware for the common needs. You've already met 2 built-in ones. Express.json parses JSON request bodies into rec.body. Express.static serves files from a folder. Then there are the essential third-party packages, coarse controls which other websites can call your API. Without it, browsers block cross-origin requests. Helmet sets a dozen security-related HTTP headers for you, protecting against common attacks. Morgan logs every request, the method, the path, the status code, and how long it took. Compression zips your responses, making them smaller and faster, and a rate limiter, like Express rate limit, caps how many requests a single client can make in a window, stopping abuse and brute force attacks. You install them with npm, then plug each one in with app.use. a few lines, and your API has logging, security, and abuse protection. This is the power of middleware. The hard problems are already solved. You just compose the pieces. Sometimes you need behavior specific to your app. That's when you write custom middleware. It's just a function with rec, res, next. A request logger is the classic example. A function that prints the method and URL, then calls next. Const logger equals rec, res, next console.log rec.method and rec.url, then next. Register it with app.useLogger, and every request is logged. An auth checker is just as simple. Read the token from rec.headers. If it's missing or invalid, res.status 401 and stop. If it's valid, attach the user to rec.user and call next. Now every downstream handler knows who's logged in. An input sanitizer can clean or validate rec.body before it reaches your routes, rejecting bad data early. The real power is composition. You stack these functions and each one does one job: logging, then authentication, then validation, then the route. Each middleware is small, focused, and testable. You can apply them globally with app.use or to a single route by passing them as arguments before the handler. app.post/tasks, validate task, the handler. Small functions composed into a pipeline. That's the Express philosophy. Let's give TaskFlow a real middleware stack. Order matters, so we register top to bottom. First, helmet for security headers, app.useHelmet. One line and TaskFlow is protected against a range of common attacks. Second, cores, so the React front end on a different port can call the API. App.useCores with an origin option pointing at our front end. Third, Morgan to log every request in development. App.useMorganDev. Now we see each request in the console. Fourth, express.json to parse request bodies. Fifth, a rate limiter. App.useRateLimit, max 100 requests per 15 minutes. This stops a single client from hammering the API. Then our custom request logger and an auth checker on the protected routes. Finally, after all the routes, our error handling middleware err rec res next that logs the error and returns a clean 500 response. The order tells the story: security, then cross origin, then logging, then parsing, then rate limiting, then routes, then error handling. Every request flows through that exact pipeline. TaskFlow now behaves like a real production API. Let's recap. Middleware is a function with rec, res, and next, and it's the heart of Express. There are three types: application level for every request, router level for specific paths, and error handling with 4 parameters placed last. Execution order is everything. Middleware runs top to bottom, so register it in the order you want it to run. The ecosystem gives you cores, helmet, Morgan, compression, and rate limiters for free, and you can write your own loggers, auth checkers, and sanitizers composed into a clean pipeline. TaskFlow now has a production-grade middleware stack. In the next video, we look at Hono, a modern, lightweight alternative to Express built for speed and the edge. See you in the next one.